Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super duper exciting adventure in unboxing with GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what the fuck's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or whose box you pulled it out of. Today's box is white, black, gray, kind of orange, and a bit of blue. It's 5.5 inches by 3.25 by 3.25, and it weighs 120 grams. When you shake it, it sounds like this. And it looks like this. Tassimo Maxwell House Blend Coffee. Instructions. French instructions. Use large cup, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. But maybe there's a different one in there. They do have a breakfast blend for Maxwell House. And Nabob too. Let's open it up and see what's in there, eh? Perforations. We just rip the whole thing open and knock them all out, but let's go with the perforations. Look, perforation. Is it a pervertation or a perforation? Hey, perforation asthma. Didn't make too much of an asthma sound, did it? Oh, sorry to disappoint you, it really is the Maxwell House Blend. Here, get some shaking asthma for you. Alright, bitches. That's what you get. It's only a short unboxing today. Back in box. But we got the Carling Ice. 5.5%. Cheers, big ears. Thanks for coming out to a super spectacular unboxing adventure. Oh, wait. That fancy fucking design there, eh? How about that? Woo! Unboxing assholes. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Rock the fuck on, bitches. Woo.